Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and the game is stuck on loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Black Ops 7 stuck on loading screen on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and then you're going to go into local, and then you'll see this folder called Activision. Just go ahead and delete this folder. This folder stores your user profile data, so your game's graphics settings, your keybinds and all that. It doesn't store your progress or anything, don't worry. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up battle.net on your computer, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your games here. You're going to click onto your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. You're going to click onto the settings button that should be here. And then you're going to click onto scan and repair. And then click scan now. And it will scan the game's files of Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And just wait for it to complete the scanning and verifying the integrity of the game's files. And once it's done, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So applications like MSI Afterburner, Discord's overlay, RTSS, or even Corsair's IQ, just go ahead and close those softwares up. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that it will load correctly and you will not get that stuck on loading screen error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.